guys, today's video is on the top 5 best tankless water heater. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. In our list, the number 5 product name is InSinkErator Electric Water Heater. The InSinkErator Hot 150 Instant Hot Water Dispenser System is the newest and most affordable addition to the Invite series. So simple and useful, once you use it, you will love it instantly. With near boiling water at your fingertips, you can enjoy the convenience of instantly preparing gourmet coffee and hot tea, steaming vegetables in a flash, warming baby bottles in seconds, removing candle wax from candle holders with ease, cleaning without the use of harsh chemicals, removing stubborn lids and labels, and so much more. The Hot 150 Instant Hot Water Dispenser features a modern satin nickel finish hot water faucet and 750 watt, 2/3 gallon stainless steel tank that delivers near boiling water. An easy adjustable thermostat allows you to control the temperature from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. In our list, the number 4 product name is Bosch Electric Water Heater. Convenient hot water heater. 4-gallon point-of-use mini tank fits under your sink to provide hot water right where you need it. Thermal efficiency is 98%. Dimensions: 13.75 W x 13.75 H x 13.5 D inches. Long-lasting quality. This electric water heater is easy to maintain and has premium glass-lined material for a long service life. Amps 12A, volts, VAC, 120. Independent installation. 36 to 37-inch cord plugs into a 120-volt outlet for independent installation or in line with a large hot water source. Fast recovery rate. Eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink. Get on-demand hot water at your every need. Supplies up to 2 sinks at a time. Number 3. In our list, the number 3 product name is EcoSmart Electric Water Heater. Endless on-demand hot water. Consistent hot water when you need it that never runs out. Continuously monitored water temperature and controlled flow rates ensure efficiency and consistent performance within 1 degree of selected temperature. Save space. EcoSmart tankless electric water heaters are 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters. May be installed on wall or at point of use. Dimensions: 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches. Save energy. EcoSmart tankless electric water heaters are 99% thermal energy efficient. Only heats water when cold, unlike a tank heater that maintains water temperature even when not being used. Number 2. In our list, the number 2 product name is Stiebel Eltron Water Heater. Continuous flow. Advanced flow control patented technology invented by Stiebel. Eltron automatically maintains water temperature for constant comfort. It'll reduce flow slightly if hot water demand exceeds capacity. Hot showers will never be interrupted again. Space and energy saver. It's small, sleek white design saves space yet still provides endless hot water for your whole house. And no venting is required. Eco-friendly unit saves energy with automodulation and the ability to electronically control water flow. Savings monitor even shows how much you save on energy costs. Tempera 24+. This specific model is 24 kilowatts, 240 V, requires a minute recommended electric service of 150 A, and offers an output water temperature of 68 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Check our guides below to compare features of our various Trend and Plus models, each available in different kW levels. Number 1. In our list, the number 1 product name is ECO Electric Water Heater. Endless on-demand hot water. Consistent hot water when you need it that never runs out. Continuously monitored water temperature and controlled flow rates ensure efficiency and consistent performance within 1 degree of selected temperature. Save space. EcoSmart tankless electric water heaters are 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters, may be installed on wall or at point of use. Dimensions 17 by 17 by 3.75 inches. Save energy. EcoSmart tankless electric water heaters are 99% thermal energy efficient. Only heats water when cold, unlike a tank heater that maintains water temperature even when not being used. Save up to 50% in water heating costs according to the Department of Energy. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.